Hi team, this is Nia. I have a new unique strategy for you, which is suitable for any balance. I've already earned over $20,000 with her help, and I'm not going to stop. Today, I'm going to show you how I did it, explain everything in detail, and so follow me and watch the video to the end. Let's go. So, the first currency pair. Here we'll open a trade to the upside in a long position, and now let me explain my prediction. The price broke through the resistance level and a strong bullish movement was formed on the chart. Thus, a bearish reaction should follow and the price should retreat. That's it. Yes, there was a pullback, but it quickly reversed and I've almost doubled my deposit. Let's switch to this currency pair, and here we definitely take it lower. And let me explain the situation on the graph. First of all, there was a strong bearish breakout, then a bullish pullback, at the end of which I entered the trade. And my reward is $185. That's very good. Now let's move on further. So the AUD against the CHF currency pair is here. Well, we will open to the upside. Our rune indicator is clearly showing strong bullish influences and weak bearish influences. And of course, this trade ends up successfully. It couldn't have been otherwise. We've already had $355 in the account. And let's go to the next step again. I'm about to introduce you to an indicator that's so effective, it lets me quickly and precisely access the market for any asset I trade. And the best part, you can learn to use it too and start trading like a pro. If you're serious about independence in trading, mastering indicators is non-negotiable. But I get it. Not everyone wants to dive into the details. That's why I host live trading sessions every day on my Telegram channel, where over 1,000 subscribers already follow my moves step by step and get the same results. Just yesterday, my community pulled in nearly 150,000, collectively averaging 750 per person from one session. Not bad, right? Here's the kicker. For a limited time, access to my community is completely free. I made a promise to help everyone willing to take action, and this is your chance to make it happen. Stop hesitating, click on the link in the description or pinned comment and join us now. Now, let's get down to business and start trading. On the currency pair, we are confidently beating lower. I think you've already guessed that the trend will continue because the blue and the red lines are hanging out around the level of 100. What do you think about it, folks? I think everyone should have realized by now how easy, simple, and effective it is to trade with this indicator. We're moving on. Well, we are going to invest the entire amount in the AUD against the CAD currency pair and continue. Here on the chart, it looks like there was a reversal, but it turned out to be just a small pullback. The rune indicator helped me to realize that the uptrend would continue. And here we are with $1,300 in the bank. Let's increase the amount of our investment and look beyond that. Guys, on this currency pair, we will again invest the maximum amount and bid higher. The rune indicator is clearly indicating that the uptrend will continue, so you just need to check. And well, the rune indicator proves to be reliable again, and thus the analysis proves to be correct. I increased my deposit. Let's move on. Recognizing and interpreting short market movements is a game changer, but let's be real, it's tough to do it alone. That's why having a professional trader, someone who breaks down complex situations and answers your questions, is invaluable. And that's exactly what I offer my subscribers every day. By trading with my guidance, you'll not only understand how the market works, but also start earning real money real fast. Imagine adding $715 a day to your income. And the best part, it's completely free to join my community right now. You already know where the link is, in the description or in the pinned comment. Don't wait, your financial transformation starts here. Click on the link and let's get started. So, the AUD against the CAD currency pair is on our eyes. We're going to head to the upside as well. There is an interesting situation here. There has been a long period of strong bearish influence, and this is a signal to me that the bulls want to take the lead. I think this is the beginning of a trend reversal. And how nice it is to be right once again. My deposit is now almost $5,000. The Arun is one of my favorite indicators, guys. The trade closed again close to the entry point. It seems like a sign that it's time to end the session. I had great trading day today. Of course, if I had not been distracted by the phone, the result could have been better. But this is still good, 4,821. That's an excellent outcome. The session was intense and productive. We've thoroughly understood how to analyze trades with the Arun indicator. When you see such results in one session, you understand how successful traders acquire luxury cars, expensive homes, and fancy accessories. If you want to learn from a professional trader, here I am. Moreover, I host daily live sessions on my Telegram channel. My subscribers see all my actions and replicate them. Just yesterday, my subscribers collectively earned $365,000. In my Telegram channel, I also support every participant. Anyone can ask me a question and get an answer. Even something simple like which buttons to press to use the trading platform. I'll explain everything in detail, step by step. My channel is still free for everyone interested. Head over to the first link in the description or the pinned comment under the video and send me a personal message. That's all for now. Goodbye.